It's a Saturday morning, so we have a lot of drivers on the road right now. Everyone's coming to the trip or somewhere else to make it happen. And we have 20 minutes to the truck, so see you guys on the place. So we are here at ŁOKA with Hubert, Angela, and there is Nick and Bartek. Hello. What's up?
Taking out my stuff. Gonna strip the car down. Check out this side. I can't get that over fender off though. That's not good. Trying to maximize time as much as possible. So.
What you doing?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm fucking terrified right now. There's a lot of walls here. I'm taking off every piece of my car that might be valuable so that I can ideally minimize damage as much as possible. I don't know if we're gonna be able to take the hatch off, but I really want to because I don't want to have no hatch. I don't know how tough it's gonna be. The wiring is gonna be the biggest annoying part, but I'm not really sure. I'm just stripping it apart right now. 30 minutes now will save us 3 days of going to work to buy a new hatch later, so that's the way I look at it. All right, so Trevor brought his turbo E36 again. And the guy bought the most expensive bucket seats you could find.
Wow.
Yeah. And then Bartek's got his 2.2 touring. He's doing
What
the
is
same
Hubert
thing.
doing in your trunk?
Hubert's taking out this wiring harness, and then we're taking this off. It's the last little bit. I don't have the patience for that. Ogień na tłok.
Are you ready?
We're gonna see. I hope so. I don't know.
What happened, Nick?
My gas pedal got stuck at full throttle, so I took it out.
Now it's raw.
Now, hopefully, it won't get stuck. Alright, so Bartek was our first victim of the wall of place, and then he went out once more. Oh, I guess his bumper's melting on his exhaust too, but he blew his diff, or possibly the axle, but only the one wheel. This wheel spins, that one doesn't. So clear indication something's wrong. My car is completely stripped down. It looks like it's a derby car, and I mean, kind of is right now. It works great though. We'll get some clips of it. Yeah. Welcome to ŁOKA.
It's the motherfucking murderer kicking in your house, bitch. Run up on the bus to click and show them what the great is. You know the score, don't be no hoe. Run it up, bitch, toe to toe. Break a motherfucker, make that motherfucker hit the floor. Gripping on the fucking gauge, show these busters on my rage. Greg Gorilla, Mr. Mac, jihad out the fucking cave. Hit a nigga with a beam, hear his mama fucking scream. Lurking in the dark of night, got it from my Uncle Richie. Coming out the fucking clutch, I put the blade inside your fucking rims. 666 my carrier, I promise you can't fuck with this. Living by the 59 and Savage on the fucking hunt. Whipping out the Nina, bitch, I promise you don't want no fun.
Bring yourself, bitch. Bring yourself, bitch. Bring yourself, bitch.
It's the great, the 59, the murder, suicide, the captivated motherfuckers. Leave them by the riverside. Resurrected by the devil's dust, I'm on the path of vengeance.
Andrzej zrobił I brought two cars.
I think we could take off the wheel and just take off
Take
the other.
off the wheel, take off the dual caliper bracket, and
Yeah, no hydro.
yeah, let's get it going though.
Tylko, że jak się tego nie będzie chciała ściągnąć.
Got the roadside assistance vehicle with the roadside assistance light back here.
Oh, safety car.
Yeah, exactly.
Did you use that on the public road?
No, never. Oh yeah, this is gonna be not fun. Nie, to nie to. Że to trzyma. Give me the handle for the... Holy fuck, whoever welded this does not know how to weld, because this is fucked.
Pokaż to, ja zdjęcie robię.
This is fucked. Jesus Christ. It's not even fully welded around. No, it has like an inch almost of area where it's not been welded at all. And it also had huge gaps because he's trying to fill gaps. And like, well, it just didn't, it literally peeled the rust off. It's like he didn't clean it at all. Definitely did not preheat it. And like it tore the rust right off the hub.
Ja nie chcę tak... Będzie ci ten klocek potrzebny.
Oh shit.
A patrz tu!
To nie jest dobrze chyba.
Dobrze. Tak chyba być nie powinno.
Okay, so we take it out with the Casper Lake. Make it leaking.
not be porous as fuck.
Rusty.
Complete. It up.
Trunk won't open?
I'm not gonna open it.
Yeah, fair. It won't close after.
Yeah.
The whole bumper just got torn right off. That's kind of insane.
Yeah,
The
look like
fiber-
Logic's car.
The fiberglass like bumper support fucked off. We got pieces of it.
We'll just say it was because of Andrew.
Yeah, let's
Yeah,
say
if
that.
If you had your hydro working, it would have worked.
We have to cover that on the film, but yeah.
No, I'm gonna message him like.
Alright, so we had a very successful day. As you can see, we're putting my car back together to one piece so it looks not so fucked. But taking it all apart was worth it. We didn't hit anything, so didn't lose anything. He was asking me why I'm taking my shit apart. Now he knows. But, I mean, you had a good day, right? And good
I
time?
had a lovely day.
Yeah. Their mechanic might not have a fun day now, but fucking Bartek had a good time too, but he blew up his diff or something. It's doing a one-wheel peel. That kind of sucks, but amazing time, awesome track. The driving was a lot of fun, and we'll hopefully be back in like 2-3 weeks, something like that. We already got it in the plans, and yeah. Thank you guys. Please please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow us for more.